how to set up your business manager correctly. I come across so many people trying to run ads and they don't even have this part done. It's very, very crucial, especially if you want to start an agency and start moving like that. But even the small business needs this because you can create ad accounts for separate situations. So really where you're going to start is you're going to start and you're going to go to business.facebook.com, right? And if you don't have it set up, it's going to force you to set it up, type in your info, log in with your Facebook account, and then you'll get to a screen that looks like this, right? And then step one is you're going to see yourself in here, correct? You're going to assign assets to yourself. Well, first, hold on, let's make sure you have assets because you don't have assets yet. So we're going to go to pages. We're going to add pages. We're going to click add a page or request access or create. More than likely, add a page. And then you'll start typing in that page. Let's do Chris. Let's do my personal one. All right, add a page. If your Instagram account and stuff like that's linked, it's going to be like this, right? So then, oh man, okay, I forgot. I don't know this by heart, so I have to come back. So let's pick another one. Add a page. Let's do Motivated Hustle, right? It's one of my other pages. They keep doing this. So if your thing's linked to Instagram, this will cause you a little bit of a headache. Let me do which one I don't have added to Instagram. I have a bunch of pages. Oh, Cryptocurrency University is another one of my pages. Don't think I had it linked to an Instagram. All right, so see, click add page. Now I have that page here. We're going to have an ad account. Like here's an ad account, but if you want to create a new ad account, this is what you're going to need to run ads. So you're definitely going to need this. So we're going to have create new ad account, request access to an ad account. If you're trying to access someone else's ad account, or add an ad account, right? And then boom, it'll show up like this. You can go, and we'll go through the next steps later. This you don't really use. This you don't really use unless you're an app developer. This will show your linked Instagram accounts. You can just start adding Instagram accounts here as well. This don't get stuck here. For any Facebook campaigns to be successful, you need what's called a pixel. So you're going to need to create a pixel. I'm just going to create a new one so you can kind of see. Boom. Let's call it AMG's pixel. Let's do. Hold on. And we're going to go over here. We're going to do this website. We'll type in your website, of course. Click continue. Depends on what kind of website it is. Set up the pixel now. Boom, boom, boom. Go through this, but cancel. Like we'll do this manually for right now for the purpose of this. And if you want a bigger and more longer tutorial, then let me know and we'll see if I'll make one. And continue. All right. Manually. Okay, done. Technically, the pixel's set up. All right. Of course, the other important piece, which you can't run ads unless you do this, is you got to add your payment option. You can link either a credit card. They used to let you do PayPal. They might be shutting that off. Okay, so link a credit card. Boom, and then hit continue. And then you're going to go over here. I think that's it. Setup guide. Oh, here's a good setup guide. But you don't need that right now. So now that you have some things in here, you're going to go over here to people. You're going to pick, let's do Chris Coda. We're going to add, which is me, but this would be you, or whoever else you're adding in there. Pages, boom, assign assets, manage page. Then go to ad accounts. Find the ad account that's linked to that page that they need to be running ads on, boom. And then save changes, and then boom. Now they have access to all of those things. The pixels doesn't really work that well. I mean, that in that same manner, but you still do need to add the people to it. Like if I need to make this guy, which is me, this would be you. Click manage pixel, boom, boom, bam, done. everything done. Cool. But now, for a lot of people will want me to work in their accounts, for example. So if that's you, you're gonna simply go up here to people, add a person, and then boom, do like this. Let's do and a lot of times this doesn't work correctly, so I'm going to show you a little shortcut, and I would do this right away. Whoever you're trying to talk to or get in the system, boom, put their email. All right, bam, hit next. Add admin access or employee access, depends on what you want them to do. Most ad managers are people you want running your ads and you trust them. I would give them admin access. Just be done with it. And then boom, add the stuff you want them to see. All right, let's just for this purpose of this tutorial, we'll do this for right now. All right, and then that's good for now. That's just kind of showing you something. See how it's pending? So technically they haven't accepted yet, and sometimes that email gets lost or put in spam. So the best way to get around this is you're going to go over here and click this resend button, copy that link, send it to them, and this simplifies the whole process. And that's basically how you set up your business manager. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll help you out. All right. Also, I want to wish you a very happy 2020. And if you're watching this on Facebook or if you're watching this on YouTube, for YouTube, click subscribe. For Facebook, click the like button or follow button or wherever this is. And anyway, all right, guys and girls, I will see you next time.